Let's dive into the Nowake workflow. Here I walk you to the basic preparation workflow of NowakeRig system. I will cover Nowake menu, create a project, create an asset in the project, prepare the model file. After you properly install the NowakeTools, when you launch the Maya, you see NowakeTools menu in your Maya menu bar. Rig menu gives you all the commands for the rigging characters and props. We have an anim menu where you can access all the animation tools. We have a picker UI, which is also free to use and great tools for animators to pick the animation controls. Asset menu, create an asset in your project. Pipeline menu for the creating a project and configure preset files. And the last one is to check the NowakeTools version you are using. Please check studionowake.com to download the latest version. If you use the NowakeRig first time, you don't have any project for the NowakeRig system, we need to create a project. Go to the pipeline in the Nowake menu and select the Create a Project. A project window will pop up. First, you need to set the path to the project. Hit this button and set the path to your new project. In this case, I would like to create a project in the project_test folder. Now, path is set. We need to create a project. Hit this new button and type your project. In my case, I create a test project. Keep the asset type as a char for the character. Here we need to set up the asset directory structure. The directory structure is up to the production pipeline. If you are not sure about asset structure, keep the default values and hit the Save button. Now project is created. Once you created a project, the project is set as a current project. You can see what project you are in on the NowakeTools menu. Now we need to create an asset to rig. Go to the Nowake menu and select Asset Creator. The Asset Creator window will pop up. Type your asset character name here. In my case, it is test char. I recommend to keep this preset option on. If the preset option is on, it creates all the default data into the data folder. This is very handy. Hit the Create button. It will create folders data as you set up the asset structure in the project setup. Let's check what happened. Open the file browser and go to the project path, which is project_test in my case. Project name and test project was created. Under the test project folder, there is an asset and char folder. There is a test char folder under the char folder I just created as an asset. There is a rig folder under the character folder, and under the rig folder, there is a rig folder. This is where the NowakeRig will store all the data and preset and parameter to rig the character. Go to the body data folder. There are default data for the body rig. And there's a face default data in the face data folder. If you don't have the default templates and data in your data folder, your default presets are not correctly set up. I have seen this problem with non-English Windows version sometimes. In that case, you need to set up your preset configuration by yourself. This is also useful for the animation studio where they have their own production pipeline. Go to NowakeTools menu, Pipeline and Presets. Presets window will pop up. Change the preset path to the custom from Tools. Click this button and go to the folder where the presets folder is located. And click the Save button. Now it should create default templates and rig data files when you create a new character. The last preparation is to prepare the model file. We need to character to rig. The default pose of the character can be T-pose, A-pose, or relaxed pose. It doesn't matter. NowakeRig can make the clean T-pose for animators at the end of the body build process. Let's save this model in the character folder. The model folder path is up to the production pipeline, but I'm going to create a model folder, a sibling at the rig folder. And under the model folder, I save this file as tester_model.ma. Now we are ready to rig this character.